Bathrooms by Design are the secret for complete, no-fuss, turnkey bathroom renovations. All their own trades and all the big brands. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection.
What is it that the process here? What is our process that we do? So tell the viewers. So a husband and wife come through the door on a Saturday. And they're completely lost. They've got a dodgy old leaking bathroom. What is it?
No idea where to
No
start.
idea. And it's overwhelming because it is for 90% of people.
Well, it is if you're not in the building space. It really is, because wet areas, as you know, they can go horribly wrong.
You're talking water, leaking taps, termites, salt damp in the walls.
What it is people think when you do a bathroom that you just need a tiler and a plumber, but you actually don't.
No.
You need tilers, plumbers, waterproofers, gyprockers, electricians. So what we sort of offer is all of that wrapped up under the Bathrooms by Design brand or banner.
Yep.
So getting back to your question, is Mr. and Mrs. Smith walk in on a Saturday afternoon and they've really got no idea. So what we actually do is we really try and create an experience for that client where we take all of the worry out of it for them.
Yep.
So they come in, they meet our team, we guide them through the process, and it starts off at step one is they have a look at the showroom. They fall in love with the products. And then from there, we take 2 bookings. We do a 2-booking system. We come out to your home. One of our professionals design the bathroom with you, take care of all your needs, wants, benefits, features, what you need. We then have you in the store with one of our sales consultants. You do your selections. And then from there, we present really 2 prices for you. One for the labour component and one for the products that you've chosen from one of our 3 showrooms.
Yep.
And from there, clients sit down, we walk you through the experience and they sort of say yay or nay.
Mm-hmm.
But the truth, 9 out of 10 clients now, I think that's our ratio, are sort of going, look, these guys take care of it all. We're off to work. We're off to manage the kids. We've got sport. We've
everyone's
got things.
time poor, aren't they?
Time poor.
This day and age, it's time.
Yep.
Time is, everybody whinges they don't have the time.
Yep.
They're always, managing kids, running to sports, picking up school drop off, all of the time management, and that's
and
one
both
thing.
People are usually working now in a household because cost of living, right? I honestly believe both people are required to work.
Yep.
And more people have a busy schedule with their kids and all the outside activities. So what we tried to create...
We take that away
from
them. Basically.
And that's probably something the guys watching, if they wanted to take something away from this little intro chat, would be that's what we do. We take that away from you guys.
Yeah.
We manage it. I mean, the other thing is as well, I'm going to give you a real quick scenario before we wrap it up. A lot of people say to me, well, why us? Why us? Well, we'll look at it like this. You go and get a tiler, he does the job. You go and buy your products from somewhere else, one of our competitors. The product leaks in the wall. Who are you ringing? The tiler? The plumber? Are you ringing the manufacturer of the product? It becomes a shit show. I've heard the stories.
Well, everybody
day in, day out.
Runaround.
The runaround. The tradie runaround.
Everyone's trying to handball the problem off to the next
No one
person
cares.
in line.
No one's overarching it.
No.
At Bathrooms by Design, we overarch the entirety of the process, which means we carry the warranty on the product, the labour, all of it. And I think that's the thing to take away. That is the thing that you ultimately are signing up for with us.
Well, every job's supervised daily, isn't it, really?
Yep. Well, as you know, you're on site at the moment.
so,
Some jobs I'm on site. We've got our full team of, what have we got, 3 supervisors?
Yeah, operations manager.
Operations manager, store managers. I think we've got every bucket ticked.
Yeah.
Every aspect is looked after. I mean, that's not to say we don't do it right every time.
Oh, look,
absolutely not. And we're going to talk about
We're
that.
trying to
I think we
improve
said
every day. We're trying to we try and build on the feedback that we get back.
Well, we're only as good as that.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Bathrooms by Design are the secret for complete, no-fuss, turnkey bathroom renovations. All their own trades and all the big brands. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection.